Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over the best help center apps for your Shopify store. Now these are going to be crucial as they're going to streamline the customer experience, and many of these help center apps include tools that are going to help reduce the amount of sport tickets that you're going to get by giving customers instant answers, which many customers are going to actually prefer as they don't have to wait for your team to respond. So for each app, I'll be taking a look at the UI, reviews, and pricing so you can get an understanding of which help center apps are best for your Shopify store. Before I dive into it, I want to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets, and all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations on how profitable your store actually is. It's also going to include quite a few other detailed analytics to give you a true understanding of your Shopify store. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, so make sure you check that out below. I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into the first help center app today. This one's going to go first because it is completely free at the time of recording. So it's going to include two things overall. It's going to be an FAQ center where customers can go and just look at the FAQs to possibly get quick answers. It's also going to include a WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Skype, Viber, and Zalo chat integration. So we dive into the UI, you can see that it's just going to make it really easy to set up this help center. It's going to include a chat widget in the bottom right, giving you overall categories such as shipping, payments, returns, letting customers find answers to their questions quickly. There's also the integrations so that customers can contact you where they feel most comfortable. In terms of pricing, again, it's completely free, which is an awesome feature of this app. If you're just looking for an FAQ center and a chat widget, this could solve your problem. In terms of reviews, it has a good 4.7 stars with 56 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Avada Help Center. This one is also completely free here, and it was launched very recently in June 9th, 2022. So in terms of the features, you can create unlimited FAQs. It's also going to include a highly customizable FAQ widget. So there's going to be various pre-designed themes, colors, and icons. You can also get an instant preview to see how it looks. It's going to help match the brand for your store. You can also insert WhatsApp, phone calls, contact forms, and messages into the widget as well. Again, going to give customers the option to contact you in different mediums. There's also going to be an order tracking integration where the customer can simply edit their order number and get a result on the status so they don't have to ask you there. Multiple languages are also supported, and it is going to be mobile responsive. In terms of reviews, this one has a perfect 5 stars with 352 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Live Chat and Help Center by Will Desk. In terms of overall features, you get live chat, email, order tracking, WhatsApp integration, FAQ pages, and social media. This one does have an option for live chat. And as you can see, you're going to get customer information to help give you context when a customer is contacting you. You can centralize all your tickets into one feed, making it super easy to stay on top of them. So if you're getting messages through Facebook, WhatsApp, and Gmail, you can now see them all in one place, letting your team get to those queries faster. It also includes a complete customer index, so you can help personalize your service and see what customers have done exactly without having to go through that back and forth. It's also going to include an FAQ page, again, going to help with those instant answers. So in terms of pricing, there are several different pricing plans. It's going to start off at free. You get unlimited seats and 100 conversations, and you can track up to 20 orders. As you start to move up in price, it's just going to be limited here by the number of conversations. 99.9, it's going to be unlimited here. And at $29.90, you're going to get 2,000 conversations. In terms of reviews, it has a perfect 5 stars with 490 5-star reviews. So let's take a look at our fourth app here. We include a rich editor when creating your FAQ pages. You can see customizable SEO tags, product specific tags, featured articles, create URLs that are unique for your pages here. So this one is focused on optimizing your FAQ for SEO. So you can start generating hits this way, as customers may also Google your questions surrounding your store. So if you can show them an article that's relevant, that can be super useful. So again, it's going to have integrations as well as categories and features along in their chat widget. You can also get a free migration, as they'll move all your existing FAQs from your old app. In terms of pricing, there's a free plan with 3 categories and 4 articles per category. As you move up in price, you get a higher number of categories and articles, and at $11.99 it's going to be unlimited here, as well as custom CSS and custom themes. In terms of reviews, perfect 5-star rating with 118 5-star reviews. So let's take a look at the last app here. Again, an FAQ page and help center. It's going to support Google's FAQ schema, which is going to help with SEO. It's going to have 12 plus FAQ templates, and it's going to support multi-language. So again, it's going to make it super easy to manage your FAQs and reorganize them. Also, the format you want it to be laid out in. Overall, this app is not going to include a live chat or a chat widget, but a dedicated FAQ page. It does have a free plan if you're just looking for an FAQ page with 15 FAQs, and it's going to support that Google FAQ schema. And as you move up in price, very incrementally here, the most expensive plan is only $6.99, where everything is unlimited. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 stars with 152 5-star reviews. This is going to conclude the video on the best help center apps for your Shopify store. Hopefully, one of these apps helps solve the issue you're looking for. All these apps are either free or have free plans or free trials available, making it super easy for you to test things out for yourself to decide which one you like best. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc one last time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description to get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can skip those spreadsheets and get real-time understanding of how your store is truly performing and how profitable you actually are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.